Can King LLC? Yes, you can form an LLC with the name King LLC if it's available in your state and follows naming rules. Each state requires business names to be unique and to include LLC or limited liability company at the end. King LLC could work as a strong, simple brand name for many types of businesses. If you want to expand into different industries later, you can also file DBAS, doing business as names, under the same LLC while keeping King LLC as the main legal entity. To protect the brand beyond your state, you may also want to consider registering a trademark for King in your specific industry. Zen Business can help you form your LLC and secure the name King LLC if it's available in your state. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. That link is in the description too.